we say a keyword, it's really a keyword phrase. So a keyword could be 2 words grouped together, 3 words grouped together, 4 words grouped together, 5, 6. The longer it gets, we call those long tail keywords. So that means they're more specific, usually closer toward the conversion. So the more specific you go, the more targeted, and the more, usually the closer to your conversion point that you're going to get. The ones that are like 1 word, right? I can give you an example. We use this page, right, that we just used. Keyword. Way too broad. Way too broad. That could mean anything. Keyword research, getting closer. Keyword research strategy, that's right on the money. That's what this is. Keyword research methodology, that's even closer. That's exactly what it is. Keyword research tool, oh, no, we've gone too far. Not ready, it's not talking about tool. It's talking about methodology and strategy. Right? So you have to pick it. Remember, don't get greedy with this piece. Don't see keywords, oh, that's great, I have a ton of searches, I'm going to go after that. Well, if it's not really right for your content, you're not going to do well on it. And if you do, it's too broad that you're going to pull in too many non-qualified people. Okay?